Hello, in this video series I'll be showing you how to create springs with Solidworks. Then let's say on the front plane, create a circle. This represents the diameter of the spring. Then we'll pre-select that and we'll go into, is it features? Yes, curves, helix and spiral, and from here we will say constant pitch, height, and revolution. We'll say it is 2 inches tall, 8 revolutions, and starting angle 0 clockwise, and OK. Now I do want to change this diameter, so let me go back into this sketch and we'll call this 0.5 inches. So now we have a helix that's 2 inches tall and a ½ inch diameter. So this is our path. So now I need a profile for because if we go sweep, it's asking for a profile and a path. So here's our path. Now we want a profile. So I will create a plane normal to the end of this helix. In order to do that, I will select the end point, hold the Control key to multi-select, and then select the path. And from here I will press Control plus, which creates a plane normal to that. That's my shortcut key. You can also, in the reference geometry, so I select both reference geometry plane, and you can see the plane allows up to 3 references to make a plane. In this case we only need 2. Hit OK. So now we have a plane right here. So on this plane, create a circle. Can I do that? I can. So I just projected the geometry of the helix to allow me to select the endpoint. I'll make that construction. And in fact, I can just delete that now and fix this point. And to find the diameter here, we'll call that 0.1. Okay. And R for rebuild. Or we could click Exit Sketch. I click R for rebuild because it's quicker. Then we will go to sweep, select my profile, select my path. As you can see, they populated here, and checkbox, and there we go. So I can turn off my planes and I can hide this path. And here we have a basic helix